Welcome back, guys. So today I'm gonna show you an awesome hack on Minecraft PE. So yeah, I just created a world, a flat world, and look at this, glowing obsidian, and under the glowing obsidian is dirt. So yeah, the first layer is made out of glowing obsidian. So yeah, to do this, you need to have IMCP edit. Well, it's not, you don't need to have it, but I have it. So yeah, you need to see the ID of a block that you want. So I'm gonna search for a block that I want, TNT. Also the ID is 46. Okay, so you need an iFile. You download it from Cydia. Go into the iFile. Go into the iFile, and then you're gonna start here. No, you're gonna start here. Go for mobile, applications, Minecraft PE, documents, games, .com, Minecraft PE, options, text to viewer, and here you have it. So yeah, press on edit. Yeah, so yeah. Put this thing and put ID 46. Save and done. Now close MCP from the multitasking. I have multitasking, and then go back in it. It's loading. Then I'm gonna delete this world. Okay, and now new, advanced, flat, create world. Now I have it made out of TNT. So guys, I'm not gonna explode this TNT because of the lag. It's gonna be, my iPad is gonna stop from working, and I need to restore it if it has so much lag. So I'm not gonna explode it. But you see, you have here the TNT, and sorry guys, but I can't copy all the IDs from the blocks in the description. It's really hard, and I can't do this. But if you're jailbroken, download the MCP edit. Search on YouTube how to download it, because my Cydia is not working anymore, because I have some bugs on Cydia. If I go, it's going to crash my system. Yeah, and this is bad. So yeah, when I restore my iPad, I'm gonna review Minecraft P tweaks. But for now, I was showing you this hack for flat worlds. So yeah, it is epic. Have this thing here, TNT. Because I can't explode it, I can't, guys, sorry, but I can't. I'm recording too, and it's gonna be so laggy, and that I can't use it anymore on my iPad. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time for another Minecraft video or hack. Yeah, so try it out. It's nothing dangerous. It's not gonna crash your iPad or Minecraft P. You need to reinstall it or something like that. If you want the normal layer back, search in IMCP, edit the grass block ID, and put it back how it was. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time for another Minecraft video. Bye, guys.